In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Slack lists to manage your projects and tasks. Slack lists can be a really simple way to keep work organized right inside the place where your team is already communicating. Instead of juggling separate task tools or letting important action items get buried in messages, you can create a clear shared list that helps everyone stay aligned. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to set one up and start using it for project tracking. To begin, open your Slack workspace on your computer and make sure you're in the channel where you want to create your list. This matters because creating the list in the right channel makes it easier for the right people to find it, use it, and stay updated. Next, look at the message input box at the bottom of the screen and click the plus icon. This opens the shortcuts menu, which gives you access to different tools and actions you can add directly into Slack. Once the shortcuts menu is open, type the word lists into the search bar. From the results, select the option to create a list. This will open the Slack list setup so you can start building your project or task tracker. Now give your list a clear title and add a short description. Try to make both of these specific and easy to understand at a glance. A good title and description help your team immediately know what the list is for, whether it's a weekly task tracker, a project plan, or a simple to-do list for the channel. After that, click the Add Column button to set up your tracking details. This is where you can decide what information you want to follow for each task. Common columns include assignee, due date, and priority status. Choosing the right columns from the start makes your list much more useful and helps everyone quickly understand what needs attention. Next, click the Add Row button to begin entering your individual tasks. As you add each row, fill in the details for every column you created. This is the part where your list starts becoming actionable, so try to keep your task names clear and your details consistent. When your list is ready, share it in your channel by clicking the share button. This allows your team members to view, edit, or comment on the items depending on their access. Sharing the list directly in the channel keeps collaboration easy and makes the list visible where the conversation is already happening. And that's it. You now know how to use Slack lists to keep your team organized and on track. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.